So here is the tools you guys need.
Vice grip, 18, 24, sledgehammer,
For the Ford Edge, right?
Ford Edge 2007, all-wheel drive SEL.
This is what comes in brand new one compared to old one. You can see the difference
Now look at this.
on the other side.
See here?
Clunking, and here is stronger.
Can't even move that.
Wow. When you're driving and how you describe that noise?
It's a clunking.
Clunking noise. So we thought it's transmission because sometimes when transmission go bad, they have a similar noise. But turns out it's much easier fix. You just need to get a new one. So if you guys can unscrew this, then you can leave original tie rod nut on there. So now you know exactly where to stop to tighten up. If it's not gonna come out, then you can always first put a blaster or W40. If it's not gonna help, then you always can hit it up with a blowtorch and it's gonna go right out.
And this has a grease fitting on it. So there's grease in there, and then you can inject more grease in it. And then it's marked right side.
Doing that.
This is anti-seize, so I'm just putting that in there so that it does not rust up and lock up together. Lock up, and we'll put some on the thread too. Just so next time it'll be easier to come off. It's pretty easy anyway. This one locks in place with that screw, with that nut. Now on this end it has a nut that has a pin through it. So it won't go anywhere.
That pin, guys.
Just gonna put this nut on. The castle nut. Cotter pin goes right in there. Get the head out. Okay. You need some wrenches, 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. So you don't need any knowledge of how to do this because it's like you can't screw it up. So you gotta be strong like an ox to get this bunker on there. Ow. Low on fuel. Oh, I forgot about that.